Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the February 2022 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Love Yourself, so all about self-love. As always, when you first open up the crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. And then there's also a QR code, which will take you to your collection of digital downloads, which I'll show you at the end. Next, we have this month's art print. This was designed by Erin of Affirmations and Accessibility, and aptly, it is full of affirmations. It says so many reasons to love yourself, and then in this jar of hearts, there are different affirmations. So those are great for you to say or for your students. Next, we have one of this month's wearable items. This is a really beautiful rose quartz bracelet. Rose quartz is a stone of love and compassion, so I thought it was perfect to go with our Love Yourself theme. Now, we often have a lot of gold, and I had some requests to do more silver jewelry and accessories. So this one is silver, and I'm not going to try to put it on with one hand right now, but it's just a really delicate, pretty bracelet, and as you can see, it has an adjustable chain. Okay. Next, we have these sticky notes. I designed these. I'm really excited about these. It says Daily Self-Care, and what it has here is a little check-in for you to use every day. So it says, I am grateful for, so you can fill in something you're grateful for, a great way to start the day. I am feeling, check in with yourself how you're feeling. A water tracker with 8 water glasses. So you can aim to get those 8 glasses a day. And then I am taking care of myself today by, and I made these sticky notes so that if you want to, you can just put them on your planner or stick it on your desk or wherever you get ready in the morning. Next, we have a face mask, the fun kind. This is a rose gold foil mask, and this is from Pure Aura Beauty. And this has charcoal for detoxifying, and then it's actually foil on the outside to help the mask penetrate better. Next, we have another wearable item. This is a keychain that was a collaboration with A Dose of Reminders. If you don't follow her on Instagram, check her out. She makes really beautiful artwork that really goes well with this month's theme of love yourself. On the keychain says, be kind and gentle with yourself. Next, we have this spa headband. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. It's a Teacher Care Crate exclusive. So what this is for is, it's gonna look really silly when I try to put it on right now. But when you are doing your skincare or makeup to keep your hair out of your face, you can use this, and it's wired. So I recommend doing this in a mirror and not trying to do it on video. But yeah, to keep your hair out of your face while you do your skincare or your makeup or your mask. I'm gonna take this off now. Okay, that's our headband. Okay, next we have a rose quartz eye soother. Like I mentioned, rose quartz is the stone of love, so perfect for this month's theme. And inside, you have this rose quartz facial massage tool. Even just putting it on your face, even without, you can refrigerate it, but you don't have to. Even just right now, it feels really good. This is from Goddess Provisions, and on the side there is a link to watch some more instructions, and I will put a link in the digital downloads folder as well. And it comes in this nice box. Then we have our treat for this month. This is from Churro Chocolatier. They are a subscriber favorite, and this is Cheeky Churro. So this is a mini chocolate bar, crunchy, sweet cinnamon and sugar churro swirled in dark chocolate, and this is delicious, as are all their chocolates. And like I mentioned, you have that link to your digital downloads on the info card, and then you also get a link to those digital downloads via email. So we always have a variety of desktop wallpapers. There are 6 this month to go with this month's theme. We also have a set of affirmation coloring pages. So the idea here would be to kind of reflect on the affirmation as you color. I love and accept myself. I'm doing the best I can. Like we all identify with this right now. And I am enough. So I intended these for you to use, but I'm hearing a lot of feedback that people are going to use these with their students. So I think it probably depends on the age, the grade, or the subject, but you could definitely use these with students as well. And then the next one is an intended student activity. I like to include one of those each month just to hopefully make your life a little bit easier. So this would be great for Valentine's Day, but again goes with our self-love theme. So they are printable hearts that say one thing I love about myself is, and they are differentiated. So there's ones with primary lines, one with no lines, and ones with just plain lines. So you can print these out on colored paper like I've done here, or you can print it on white and have the students color. And then I also included some sort of like little headers if you want to print those to make an easy bulletin board or door decor, or you can just do it as an activity. Okay, so you have your digital downloads. You have your chocolate bar, your rose quartz eye soother, your spa headband, your rose gold foil face mask, your daily self-care check-in sticky notes, keychain, your delicate rose quartz bracelet, your art print, and of course just your info card. So if you have not already subscribed, head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by February 14th, also Valentine's Day, I think. Thanks for watching.